everybody in the world that wants to start an online business get one thing said to them every day: grow your email list. And I'm part of that as well. So everybody that wants to build an online business needs to grow their email list. But how in the world do we do that? That's what we're going to talk about today. So you really need an email list for your online business. But why is that so? It's because if you're just dealing with social media platforms that are a little bit having trouble with their emotions sometimes, like shutting down your account or just changing their policies, you really need your email list. Why? Because you're always going to have it and it's always going to be yours, and you can write whatever you want to them without getting stressed about their policies. So, how do you do that? How do you build your email list actually? Well, there are a couple of really simple tricks that you can apply right now. So, the first really simple thing to do if you want to attract people to your list is to give freebies. So, how do you get freebies? Then it's if you promote an affiliate offer, most of the time they're gonna have a freebie to give you that you can give to the people to who you refer them to. So get that freebie or build your own freebie. It can be a checklist, it can be an ebook, it can be a free training, whatever it is. It has to be free. And when people want to take that freebie, they need to sign up, and the contact goes directly to your list. And it's going to be people that are really interested in your product. So as soon as this freebie is linked to your offer that you're offering right away to your email list, it's going to be really great for your business. The other things that you can do in order to have more people into your list is to do webinars. So if you do webinars, you're going to have many positive things that are going to happen to your business. So first, people are going to have to subscribe to your list if they want to subscribe to the webinars. So the contact is going to go directly to your email list. People are going to learn a lot about your products in the webinar, and you can give a lot of free stuff. You give a lot of value in your webinar, but most importantly, you're going to have their email. So if you need to contact them to just send them different offers, you're going to be able to do that with their emails. You can do challenges. I don't know if you've seen it on the internet, but there are so many challenges out there right now. And I fell into many challenges trap, and a lot of people are having my email right now. But you have challenges like I had a 10K challenge. So it was to get 10,000 people on my email list in a month. It was challenges for to have more views on your YouTube videos, challenges on having more engagement on your Facebook posts, challenges for more engagement in Instagram. So there are so many challenges out there. So these guys are a few things that you can do if you want to grow your email list. So offer freebies. You can just take one from the affiliate offer that you're promoting right now, or you can create your own freebie if you have your own courses. Create webinars, so it's a really good way to get the emails from the people. Create challenges, so you have really a lot of things that you can do. So guys, these are amazing ways that you can really collect quickly emails in your email list. So just check it out, guys. Go out there and find your freebies or build your webinars or find some challenge that you can give to people and start building your list. And after that, you're going to be able to segment these lists, put them into a sales funnel or into a sequence, and then you're going to be able to start making sales. So take care, guys, and have a really, really awesome day. Ciao.